Hi everyone! Welcome to this week's episode of Cooking with Mona and Mish. Today we're going to show you sweet rice called Shirin Polo. Here are the ingredients. We have 1 cup of slivered almonds, 1 cup of sweet orange marmalade, 1 cup of shredded carrots, a 1/4 cup of diced onions, 1 cup of raisins, 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, 1/8 teaspoon of saffron, and
For pistachio, we put like 2 tablespoons. I put 2 tablespoons. Here, you can put more as you like. If you want to put, you can put like up to 1 cup. But I didn't have at my home, so I only put 2 tablespoons, which is okay. And also, we're gonna need about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. We'll show you how we're gonna use it.
we're now roasting the slivered almonds in 1/2 tablespoon of avocado oil, and just roast it until it gets to a golden color. Alright, so since the almonds are pretty much golden, we added in the pistachios now.
After cooking the pistachio with the almonds for about 30 seconds, then we put it aside on a paper towel. Now we add 1/2 tablespoon of cooking oil, and then we're gonna add the raisin. For the raisin, it doesn't need to be cooked for a long time. It's only take like about a minute. Now we add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Then we're gonna add the diced onions, and we stir them. Now we add 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and we keep stirring till the onion becomes translucent. Oh, I also forgot to tell you about the cinnamon. We will need about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. We will add it later over the carrots. And now we add the saffron when the onion is almost ready. And when the onion is soft and translucent, we're gonna add the carrots and mix it. And here we added a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then you add 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. Then you cover it and let it cook on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes till the carrots are soft. Then after 10 minutes, I tasted it and the carrots were soft. Then I added the orange marmalade and I mixed it a little bit just till it melts down. Then we mix it a little bit. After that, we add back the raisins. We mix it. Then we add the almonds and pistachios. We mix them for about a couple of minutes, and that's it. It's ready. And here we spread the sweet rice mixture over the plain rice. And this is the sweet rice that's called Shirin Polo. Bon appetit. And now we're gonna taste it. We're gonna tell you how it tastes. So how do I start this? I start with the potato.
Love the potato. 1, 2, 3.
Wow,
So good.
very good, excellent. So you scoop some of the rice from underneath with the sweet.
It's so good. You guys are gonna love this.
Oh my god. Excellent. I haven't eaten it for a while because usually these people they serve it in weddings, parties, and you know we've been with Corona. We haven't been in weddings or parties for a while. It is so good.
Well, we hope you guys try this out. And if you do, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. We really appreciate it.
Please like, share, and comment.
Please.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.